Hello everyone. Today I'm again over here for this EU AI Act compliance checklist. Now I'm talking about manufacturing companies. This checklist helps the manufacturing organizations assess readiness and compliance with the EU Artificial Intelligence Act. It is written for non-technical, operation-focused environments, including factories, plants, and industrial units. Let's go forward. Comprehensive inventory and identification of AI systems in manufacturing. Understanding the scope of AI utilization. Beginning by catalog all the artificial intelligence systems actively employed within manufacturing operations. This should encompass a thorough assessment of AI applications across various domains, including production, quality, assurance, maintenance, human resources, safety protocols, and logistics. Documenting vendor supplied tools. Ensure meticulous documentation of AI tools and technologies provided by external vendors. This information is critical for evaluating the performance and integration of these systems within your operations. Evaluating AI impact on operations in European Union. It is essential to ascertain whether the output generated by these AI systems are actively utilized in your particular operations. This evaluation helps in understanding compliance with regional regulations and overall efficiency of AI integrations. Assigning accountability. Designating a responsible business owner for each identified AI system facilitate oversight and continuous improvement in deployment and performance of AI technologies in the manufacturing processes. Establishing clear objectives for AI utilization. Defining the purpose of AI systems. It is essential to precisely articulate the intended function of each AI system within your organization. Clarity of purpose will guide effective implementation and ensure alignment with strategic objectives. Adhering to the designated uses. Strictly confine the application of AI technologies to their designated purposes. Utilizing AI outside its original scope can lead to unintended consequences and undermine its effectiveness. Conducting comprehensive risk assessments. Prioritizing to repurposing any AI tool, conduct a thorough risk assessment to identify potential impacts and ensure the modification aligned with the organizational values and compliance standards. Safeguarding against unintended surveillance. Vigilantly confirm that AI systems are not employed for covert surveillance. Transparency and ethical considerations must govern the deployment of AI to maintain trust and accountability within the organization. Understanding AI risk classification, a comprehensive overview. The importance of categorizing AI risk levels. When assessing artificial intelligence AI, it is crucial to classify it into three distinct risk categories: minimal risk, limited risk, and high risk. This classification framework aids organizations in identifying potential challenges associated with AI deployment, ensuring a balanced approach to innovation and safety. Evaluating the impact on workforce dynamics. A thorough analysis should determine whether AI technologies influence worker safety or employment decisions. Organizations must remain vigilant about how AI systems may alter job responsibilities, workflow processes, and overall job security for employees, ensuring that the ethical considerations remain at the forefront of technological advancements. Addressing AI's role in human decision making. It is imperative to flag AI systems involved in decision making process that directly affect individuals. This includes, but is not limited to, applications in hiring, performance evaluation, and safety assessments. By scrutinizing these systems, business can establish transparency and accountability, fostering trust among stakeholders while mitigating potential risk. Ensuring ethical AI practices in the workplace. Upholding employee privacy and dignity. It is imperative that organizations refrain from employing AI technologies that recognize or interpret the emotions of their workforce. Such practices can lead to potential invasions of privacy and foster an atmosphere of distrust among employees. Avoid intrusive assessments of behavior. Organizations should prohibit any form of evaluation that scores facial expressions or behavioral patterns of workers. This type of scrutiny can be damaging to the employee morale and may undermine the culture of open communication and respect. Banning social scoring and predictive profiling. It is crucial to eliminate practices that involve social scoring of employees and predictive profiling of their behaviors. Engaging in such assessments can create inequitable workplace environment where individuals are judged based on assumptions rather than their actual performance. Preventive biometric categorization. Finally, companies must ensure that biometric categorization, which involves classifying employees based on physiological data, is strictly prohibited. Such measures could lead to ethical dilemmas and potential discriminatory practices within organization. Ensuring robust AI management, high risk safeguards. Defining human oversight. Establishing clear parameters for human involvement is crucial in deployment of AI systems. Each AI initiative must involve a dedicated human supervisor who is tasked with continuous monitoring and assessment of AI outputs. These structure not only reinforces accountability but also ensure that AI actions remain aligned with the organizational objectives. Supervisory decision making. AI systems must not operate in isolation where it comes to making significant changes. It is imperative that all critical choices are subject to supervisor approval, ensuring that human judgment is integrated into the decision making process. This multi tiered review fosters a safer operational environment by mitigating potential risk associated with the autonomous AI actions. Implementing override mechanism. In any high stake environment, having a robust override mechanism is essential. This feature allows designated supervisors to intervene and alter AI generated decisions when necessary, thereby providing an additional layer of security. Establishing clear protocols for the use of overrides enhance responsiveness to unforeseen challenges and maintains control over AI operations. Documenting fail-safe procedures. Thorough documentation of fail-safe procedures is fundamental aspect of AI governance. Organizations must create and maintain comprehensive records detailing these protocols, outlining steps to be taken in the event of an AI malfunction or error. Such proactive measures not only protect the organization but also instill confidence among stakeholders regarding the responsible use of AI technologies. Ensuring robust data governance in your organization. Prioritizing unbiased and quality data. It is imperative to conduct thorough reviews of training data to identify and mitigate any potential biases. This ensures an integrity and reliability of insights derived from the data, fostering trust, accountability in your decision making process. Compliance with data protection regulations. Implementing rigorous data quality checks is essential to maintain high standards of accuracy and relevance. Furthermore, it is critical to minimize the collection and retention of personal data, thereby safeguarding individual privacy and reinforcing your commitment to the ethical data practices. Upholding GDPR standards and access controls. Verification of compliance with the General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR) is non-negotiable in today's data-driven landscape. Establishing well-defined access controls is crucial for protecting sensitive information, ensuring that only authorized persons can access the specific data sets, which mitigates the risk of data breaches, enhances overall data security. Ensuring the transformation and implementation. Clarity of AI utilization in the workplace. It is essential that all the employees are clearly informed about the areas in which artificial intelligence is deployed within the organization. This knowledge empowers workers and fosters the culture of trust. Open disclosure of AI interactions. Communication is a key. Any interaction involves AI system should be transparently disclosed. Employee must understand when and how AI is influencing their task or decisions. Clear labeling of AI generated content. Any output produced by AI should be distinctly labeled. This practice ensures that everyone can differentiate between human and AI contributions, minimizing confusion and enhance accountability. Simplified explanation of decision making process. The logic behind AI decision making must be articulated in a straightforward and accessible language. This demystification allows employees to better grasp the technology's role and implications on their work and organization as a whole. Safeguarding worker rights in the age of AI. Ensuring human oversight. It is essential to establish the right to human review of AI generated decisions, ensuring that employees have access to a fair evaluation process. This right underscores the importance of human judgment in the critical assessments, fostering trust and accountability within the workplace. Accessible grievance mechanism. A robust grievance mechanism must be in place, allowing employees to voice their concerns regarding AI decisions. The system should be transparent and easily accessible, promoting a supportive environment where workers can seek resolutions and redress without fear of repercussions. Empowering workers against AI decisions. Workers must be empowered to challenge AI-driven decisions. This includes a clear and defined processes for disrupting outcomes influenced by AI. By providing avenues for challenge, organizations can mitigate the risk of unjust treatment and reinforce the culture of fairness. Protecting against discriminatory practices. It is imperative that no adverse actions are taken against the employees solely based on AI assessments. Organizations must implement strict policies to protect their workers from discrimination, ensuring that all the actions are justified and based on comprehensive evaluations rather than automated judgments alone. By adhering to these principles, business can create a more equitable and transparent workplace, leveraging AI while safeguarding the rights and dignity of every worker. Best practices for documentation and record keeping. Importance of comprehensive AI system documentation. Maintaining thorough documentation of AI systems is crucial for enhancing clarity, accountability, and effective management. Properly documented processes allow organizations to understand system functionalities, facilitate training, and support troubleshooting efforts. Rigorous risk assessment practices. Documenting risk assessments is essential for identifying potential vulnerabilities associated with the AI deployments. By keeping detailed records, businesses can proactively address risk, comply with regulatory requirements, and develop effective mitigation strategies. Essential audit logs and change management. Retaining logs for audits serve as a foundation for transparency and accountability in AI operations. Additionally, tracking changes systematically enhances version control and promotes organized management of updates, ensuring that all modifications are documented and reversible if needed. Effective management of vendors and suppliers in the compliance with EU AI standards. Ensuring compliance with the EU AI Act. In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, it's imperative to thoroughly evaluate AI vendors for their adherence to the EU AI Act. By implementing a rigorous assessment process, organizations can mitigate risk associated with non-compliance and ensure that their technological partnerships align with the regulatory requirements. Incorporating compliance clauses in contracts. Incorporating comprehensive compliance clauses into vendor contracts is essential. These clauses not only delineate the responsibilities of each party, but also provide a clear framework for accountability. This proactive approach helps to safeguard the organization against potential legal and operational risk. Enhancing transparency with vendor verification. Vendor transparency is paramount for fostering trust and ensuring successful collaboration. Regular verification processes should be established to access vendor practices and data handling methods. This transparency allows businesses to maintain high ethical standards and reassure stakeholders that their data is managed responsibly. Implementing regular audits for continuous improvement. To maintain compliance and improve vendor relationships, it is vital to schedule regular audits. These audits serve as a mechanism for ongoing evaluation, providing insights into the vendor performance and adherence to established standards. By leveraging audit findings, business can refine their vendor management strategies and drive continuous improvement. Elevating the AI competence. Empowering staff through comprehensive awareness training. Our organizations prioritize employee education regarding artificial intelligence by implementing structured awareness training programs. This initiative not only fosters a culture of understanding, but also equips the staff with necessary insights to navigate the evolving technology landscape effectively. Equipping supervisors with critical AI insights. Supervisors undergo specialized trainings focused on understanding the limitations and capabilities of AI technologies. This knowledge enables them to make informed decisions and guide their teams in harnessing AI tools responsibly and efficiently. Safeguarding employee rights in an AI driven workplace. It is imperative for all the employees to be informed of their rights related to AI integration within our workplace. We ensure that comprehensive information regarding these rights is accessible, empowering employees to voice their concerns and maintain a healthy dialogue about AI usage. Maintaining robust training records for continuous improvement. To enhance our training efforts and track progress, we maintain meticulous records of all the training sessions and participant engagement. This documentation not only assists in evaluating the effectiveness of AI programs, but also ensures that we meet compliance standards and continuously improve our AI literacy initiatives. Enhancing governance and accountability in AI implementation. Establishing a clear leadership for AI oversight. Assigning an AI governance owner is crucial for fostering accountability and ensuring that AI initiatives align with the organizational objectives. This designated leader will be responsible for overseeing the ethical deployment of AI technologies, guiding their strategic direction, and serving as a primary contact for all the AI related inquiries. Fostering collaborative governance through cross functional committees. The formation of cross functional review committee is essential for integrating diverse perspectives and expertise. This committee will evaluate AI projects, implications, assess risk, and recommend best practices, promoting an inclusive approach to governance that encompasses technical, ethical, and operational considerations. Conducting regular reviews to mitigate the risk. Implementing periodic AI risk reviews is vital to identify and address potential issues proactively. These reviews will involve comprehensive assessment of AI systems, ensuring compliance with established regulations and alignment with ethical standards. By maintaining a consistent review process, organizations can enhance their resilience against emerging challenges in AI deployment. Ensuring compliance through active oversight. The involvement of compliance officer in AI governance processes is fundamental to achieve regulatory adherence. This role will focus on monitoring compliance with the industry standards and legal requirements, providing assurance that AI operations are aligned with both internal and external policies. Effective incident management in AI operations. Understanding the AI error reporting process. It is essential to establish a robust AI error reporting framework that is clearly outlining the procedures for identifying, logging, and escalating the AI related errors. This ensures that all the stakeholders are aware of protocol, leading to the timely and effective resolution of issues. Investigating safety incidents related to AI. All safety incidents associated with the AI systems must be thoroughly investigated to determine their root causes. This involves a systematic review of circumstances surrounding each incident, allowing organizations to implement necessary adjustments and prevent future occurrences. Documenting corrective actions for accountability. Proper documentation of corrective actions taken in response to AI incidents is crucial for maintaining accountability and transparency. This record serves as a reference for future improvements and audits, reinforcing an organization's commitment to safety and continuous enhancement of AI systems. Commitment to continuous improvement. Organizations must foster a culture of continuous improvement within their AI operations. This involves regularly reviewing incident management processes and updating them based on the lessons learned, ensuring that the systems evolve in response to the new challenges and risk. Ensuring continuous monitoring of AI systems. Importance of ongoing AI performance evaluation. Continuous monitoring of AI performance evaluation is essential to ensure optimal functionality and effectiveness. Regular assessments allow organizations to identify any potential issues early, facilitating timely intervention and maintaining system integrity. Addressing bias and ensuring fairness. Periodic reviews of bias in AI algorithms are crucial. By routinely evaluating data inputs and outcome, businesses can mitigate unintended biases, ensuring that AI solutions operate equitably across diverse populations. commitment to accuracy, and system updates. Validating accuracy is a core aspect of AI management. Organizations must implement systematic checks and balance to confirm that the AI outputs align with the established benchmarks. Additionally, readdressing the system updates ensures that the latest advancements are integrated responsibly, enhancing performance while adhering to the industry standards. Upholding ethical standards. The final compliance statement underscores a vital principle. AI must enhance efficiency without compromising safety, dignity, or fairness. It is imperative that human oversight remain paramount, ensuring that ethical considerations guide all AI implementations. Now, here we are completing the session 2 about EU AI Act for manufacturing companies. Thank you so much and wait for the next session.